Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are looking at another HR Home Designs property. Guys, we're at 4208 Mahogany Hills Drive in Moore, Oklahoma. As you can tell, we got this huge, beautiful white home. Walking up to the entry of the house, you have this huge, super wide iron door. As you walk into the home, you have an office showcasing the front of the home. Walking into the front of the house, you have an office with an accent wall. You have two different material for the flooring, tile and stone. Again, it's front facing, so you have a beautiful view of your front yard. On the other side of the entryway, you have the first and only bedroom that's downstairs, besides the primary, of course. But you have a gold light fixture for the ceiling. You have gold handles, walk-in closet with a gold rack as well. It has its own ensuite with a floating vanity, hand-picked mirror and light fixture as well, and then gorgeous tile from the ceiling to the ground. So going back into the home, that same accent wall that was in the office is also on the stairwell as well. Going down the first hallway in the home, and this house honestly doesn't have very many hallways, but leading down here, you have a huge washer and dryer room. So it has a totally different color scheme of the home. It's super gorgeous. It's different, just different than the rest of the home, which I love. The tile on the ground is different as well. Walking in here, we're gonna be going straight into the primary suite. So typically we'd go on the other side, but today I just wanna kind of change it up a little bit because it has its own room, this own makeup vanity. If you know, your wife likes to do her makeup, have her things. There's a bunch of different built-ins for curling irons, hairdresser stuff. Honestly, I don't even really know what girls use, but you kind of get the gist so it doesn't kind of burn down anything. You have a selfie mirror, of course. Walking into the primary closet, you have 3 racks from the ground to the ceiling. And this is probably about, you know, I would say at least a 13, 14 foot. This is gonna go into the primary, just the heart of the bathroom. You're gonna have a double vanity, his and hers, tons of storage down below, golden brushed handles, which I personally love, especially just for the overall color scheme of the house. A standing tub, again, hand-picked light fixture above the tub as well. And then probably my favorite part of this house is gonna be the shower. You have 2 shower heads on the wall. One, I guess that would be a waterfall. Dirtle. A waterfall shower head. You have tons of different tile, which I love, but it's not like too much. It's all coming together and it looks really good. There is a safe room. You have a barn door just so for like everyday use, but if you want to gain access to the safe room, you open it up. And then this is literally a tornado shelter, safe room. But now let's get into the heart of the home and what really just makes this a home. This huge open concept living room and kitchen is literally to die for. You have 22-foot ceilings, a massive light fixture, massive fireplace, and I cannot talk more about this massive just stone, what is this called again? All right, fuck. I know what it's called, whatever. A stone mantle, it's a mantle. It's a fireplace mantle, a big stone fireplace mantle. And then also attached to the kitchen living room area, you have this walk-in wine cellar. This thing is absolutely gorgeous, guys. It's actually goes back a little bit farther than it looks from just the door. You have a mini fridge, plenty of storage and all that kind of stuff. So let's not forget about the dining room. So there is a formal dining room, but it is attached to the kitchen, kind of open concept. So if you want to put a big table, it works out. If you want to do a small table with like some other arts and crafts stuff, you can as well. It also has the microwave in there as well, so you don't have to really have any of your appliances out here in the main kitchen area. So that's pretty much it for the downstairs of the house. So let's go take a look at the upstairs. You have this gorgeous balcony that overlooks the living room, which I personally love, just this whole vibe of the house. So you have the electric fireplace with the mantle and then a little accent wall for above. Just a really pretty view of the whole neighborhood, in my opinion. This isn't like a Jack and Jill setup, but it is a small hallway and it goes straight into the bathroom. There is a door to separate if you want to wash your hands, prepare things, do whatever you need to do. Of course, you have a tub, shower, another vanity in here. And what's really cool about this upstairs is that you have a laundry chute, so you can just toss your clothes down there and it'll go automatically into the laundry basket. Coming out of the bathroom, you go into the first bedroom that's upstairs. There's gonna be 2 bedrooms up here and then also 2 bedrooms downstairs. This closet is gonna have black rods for the clothes, which I personally love. Some of the bedrooms downstairs have the gold material and now up here has black material. So none of these rooms feel the same. As you walk into all these different rooms and bathrooms, you're getting a slightly different color scheme, you're getting a slightly different vibe, which makes it kind of personalized to you, because you know, this is an ensuite right here. You have black tile with like a teal, blue, green coloring, which is just super unique compared to the other bathrooms that we've seen. So if you have kids and they're fighting over different bedrooms, or you know, you don't really know what you want, no matter what room you choose, you're gonna have something that's unique to them and just unique to the house in general. So we've seen the upstairs, we've seen the downstairs. You guys see the quality of the house, the luxuriness of this house. Let's go downstairs and check out the backyard and really just get a grasp of the entertainment aspect of this home. Come check out this beautiful backyard oasis, guys. You have a stained wood ceiling. You have multiple ceiling fans throughout all the corners right here. Tons of can lights. You have a gas fireplace and just literally like just tons of space out here, guys. Several outlets. You have an unlimited gas grill on the south end of the home. So you kind of have like the north side patio and then the south side patio, which is really cool, especially if you have a big family. So you have an unlimited gas grill, huge ceiling fan above, and it actually is raised ceilings on this south end of the house. So this backyard is actually one of the biggest lots in the neighborhood. It's a corner lot. So the backyard actually comes up to about here. And there are some other homes in the neighborhood. As you can tell back here, we have some new construction homes being built back here. The tan house on the left and the right hand and the darker house on the right, those are gonna be ready here in like 2 or 3 weeks. If you guys want to sneak peek at those, be the first people to actually view those, feel free to shoot a comment down below or give me a call. And again, thank you guys so much for checking out these videos, and we'll see you in the next one.